Amy and I have been doing lots of cleanup. Several loads have been taken out of here. It's really starting to look better. Still got a lot of tree that needs to come down, so it's going to be doing it again, but we need to get space for them to get their truck in here. So I'm going to start loading one more truck. Hopefully I can clean out a lot of this. I did decide I'm going to bring this sawmill down, the portable sawmill. So I'm going to start saving out pieces that I'm going to cut. So I'm going to cut this one for now. I'm going to save that one. And there's much bigger ones, of course. That'll be as small as I go. So I've been cutting it down really small. It's a lot easier transporting it. We'll have lots of kindling wood. The Toyota's Tacoma's already loaded. We're going to be loading the Frontier. Got some more brush over here. Some big pieces. And then yesterday, after we got them loaded, we took some time and started working on the sidewalk. So we decided, Amy had a good idea that we just start right here. We have a good one here. Hopefully no more trees going to be hitting it. And then we're going to go that way. We're going to remove all this, replace it all. And then someplace in here, wherever it comes out, I'm going to cut across with a saw that a guy let me borrow, a friend. Haven't used it yet, so it'll be a new thing. Got to research its use and see what its options are as far as water versus dry and stuff like that. But hopefully I can make a nice clean cut across there to meet the new sidewalk. And then we'll have some good stuff. We got, this one's good, that one's good, the next one's good. This we have to remove some roots and bring that back down. So we decided we're just going to start focusing on replacing sidewalk where it's bad instead of trying to patch it. It's going to take some time, but it's just beautiful stuff. It's going to look great. Really cool. I like how it has lots of different colors to it. Yeah, some really cool stuff going on. If you get the pure blue stone, it actually costs more. But I actually like the stuff with more color in it anyway. So I'm going to go with that and keep the cost down a little bit. And then we have some good pieces, and then we're going to have to patch that probably. So there will be some patching, but for the most part, we'll try to put in new stuff. So we have a nice long one here. I'll probably take a couple logs out of that. And then this will all be firewood here, and that's firewood. So we'll have to just decide as we go. Someplace about right in there is that little tree, so I don't know if it's going to survive or not. I got to be careful. It's probably underneath there, but the trick is to not cut it when I'm trying to remove everything else or damage it more, even if it is alive now. Okay, so that's where we're at. It's a lot of work, but we really had no choice. Tree had to come down. Otherwise the house was could get some smashing going on.